Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. So Apple has recently launched a series of iPhone starting from iPhone 12 mini to iPhone 12 Pro Max version. So today we're gonna review the iPhone 12 which I have recently purchased, and I have done an unboxing video of it. Now you can watch it over here, the link will be given here. Now let's start the video and see the review of its phone and how it performs. So the iPhone in India starts with a price range of 79,900 rupees for 64GB variant, and they are available up to a limit of 256GB of storage variant. Now people are upgrading to it if they are using a previous generation of iPhone. Now iPhone 12 and 12 Pro are quite identical, or you can say the features are almost same to each other. So with respect to the design and the build quality, the phone are identical to the Pro version of iPhone 12, but the material used are totally different from the iPhone 12 Pro version. Here in iPhone 12, we will get a body which is made out of aluminium, and it is extremely well made, and it looks really good and feels good at hand. The phone on the front has a nano ceramic glass or shield to make the screen more tougher. It also prevents your screen from heating up. The form factor and the shape is now squared off, and the display is flatter and looks good. Also, it is more comfortable to hold in your hand. iPhone 12 now comes with an OLED display, and Apple calls it as a Super Retina XDR display with 600 nits of brightness. The OLED display makes the experience of iPhone more improved and gives you a good viewing experience. If you are coming from a previous generation of iPhone, this screen will be a big jump and will be a welcoming feature. Well, another additional features of the iPhone 12 is that it comes with an 5G capability now, which is not available in India, and we are yet to see a 5G network which will be soon available in India. But till then, what I can say is that the iPhone 12 supports the maximum amount of band, and it will support all the different types of 5G bands, and that you can see here in this device. Well guys, when we talk about the performance, the iPhone 12 have the A14 Bionic chip, and this chip is revolutionary as this is the first 5nm processor chip which is used in this device. What you are getting here is an improved performance along with a low power consumption and lower heat from its body. From the performance perspective, whether you are a pro gamer or an office goer or a businessman or even a student, you won't feel the crunch of power, as this phone is power packed with full power with its 4GB of RAM capability. Though it has a 4GB of RAM, and because of the optimization of the hardware and the software, the 4GB of RAM is quite a lot for any task that you want to run on this phone. If you are an avid gamer, you will get a seamless experience with 4GB of RAM, and you won't see any issues or lag. But with 6GB of RAM in the Pro version, the pro gamer's choice would be for the iPhone 12 Pro version. Coming to the battery life. The battery life of this phone is 5.5 hours for an average screen time, and that too with heavy usage. Also, it has a fast charging capability of 15 watts to 20 watts, which is definitely a welcoming feature in this phone. Well, one of the major upgrades of this iPhone 12 are the cameras. Now this camera performs extremely well in low light or a dim light environment, and it performs and gives you a good and sharp picture quality. The camera is super versatile, and now you can record HDR video with Dolby Vision directly from your phone with 4K 60 frames per second capability. The front camera also does 4K video with 60 frames per second, which looks good and gives a better picture quality and a video quality. There is also a night mode now in the front camera, which is really nice. What you are missing here in the cameras are the telephoto lens and the LiDAR sensor, which you can see in the iPhone 12 Pro versions. At the price range of Rs 79,900, there are many other smartphones available in the market, from Samsung to OnePlus to ROG 3 phone, etc. But this phone is basically the upper tier of the smartphone. Well guys, if you're looking for performance to price ratio, then iPhone 12 exactly hits the sweet spot, wherein the money that you spend will not go in vain, and the money that you pay for this device would be exactly the what you would be expecting out of this device. iPhone 12 is an impressive device and delivers both the hardware and the software combination and give you the best of the Apple experience that you can ever get in an iPhone. Now this iPhone 12 is really a best choice that you can pick it in this range in the market today, and you can get the best of what you can deserve from the price that you pay for this device. And guys, keeping away all the discussion about the single charger which is not available in the box, please ignore any of those kind of discussion, because I think that doesn't really make sense, because we are in 2020 and we're gonna hit in 21, and I think everyone in their home would have certain infrastructure where they can charge their phone with an USB type C kind of a cable or a charger that might be lying around in your home. So I think living around that conspiracy, I think this is something which is really a good initiative taken by Apple, and I totally support it. So guys, hope you have liked this video and the review of my iPhone 12. Do let me know your thoughts and comments, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, which is Lifestyle Tech. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you.